Hey friends, if you wish to use your phone as a dedicated microphone on your computer, then please watch this video. Right click on the system tray and click on sound settings. Now scroll down and select more sound settings. Go to the recording tab and you will notice that there is one microphone and another microphone, which is the phone microphone. But there's a catch to this. Your phone needs to be connected to the computer using a USB cord or Bluetooth, but I would prefer a USB cord, and then you can use it as a default device. Simply right click on it and make it the default device. Okay, or I'll show it on the other microphone. You have to right click on it and select set as default device. I won't do it or it will impact the audio of the video that I'm recording, but you have to select this option, set as default device. Then click on apply and then on OK to save the settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.